Well, good morning, everybody. We're going to try this again. So I had 1, 5, 6 does that I saw, and then I had 2 more does and a fawn above me, and they were acting funny. So I thought maybe there's something behind them, but I was prepared to shoot the 1 doe. And all of a sudden they started trotting, and when they did, down come a nice buck, 30 yards, and I took a shot. I can't find my arrow, but I did find blood. So this is going to be a little documentary, I hope. And this is where he was standing, and I've already started with looking to see initially if I hit him, and there's some blood. More blood, more blood, more blood, more blood. You can see my trail, which I will not walk on. And these are my toilet paper markers. So I shot him at 9:25. And now I am going slowly, and I will use toilet paper as I go. But we're going to go up here a little ways and see what we can see. So there's still blood here, still blood here, still blood here. I'm going to step across, still blood here. I'm not putting out toilet paper yet because I don't need to. Blood here. Blood here. Still good blood. So no toilet paper yet. Still good blood. Still good blood. Still good blood. Still good blood. I'm still not going to take out the toilet paper just yet. Still good blood. Still good blood. Still good blood. Again, I see him. I think that's him right there. I think that's him right there. There he lays. He's down. He is down. There he is. There he is. So there's my buddy. Lay this down. Make sure he's dead. Alright, he's down. I got him. I got him. So now my work begins. So I will talk to everybody later.